Counties in the southern region of our viewing area are recovering after a storm swept through the area late this afternoon. Good evening and thank you so much for joining us. I'm Amber Grigley. Well, thousands are still without power as we come on air tonight. High winds and rain brought down trees and energy poles in multiple counties and even started a house fire. Kayla Molander begins our team coverage tonight.
Life gives you a lot of things. This is just one of them.
On Saturday, life gave St. Paul resident Harlan Hagen a yard full of tree limbs. The National Weather Service issued a tornado warning in Shelby County around 4 in the afternoon after rotation was detected on radar. Hagen said it was all over shortly afterwards.
It was pretty sudden, and it was pretty terrific wind, straight wind. And, well, you can witness the damage around here, but in 5 minutes, it just settled right down into nothing. But everything was on the ground by then.
Bob Dye lives around the corner and had a similar account.
I mean, just the wind. You couldn't see nothing. You know, I could be fixing your windows right there. You couldn't even see outside the picture windows. All I could hear was cracking and breaking. I mean, we lost the power, we lost everything.
Shortly afterwards, Duke Energy reported that nearly 45,000 households were out of power across the state. Waldron was hit particularly hard by the storms. One home even caught fire. Rush Shelby Energy shared on its Facebook page that there were 12 poles down in that area, causing a large outage. The provider says it will have crews working to restore power through the night. Hoggett also lost power, but he's not too worried about that. He has other damage to deal with.
Looked like I got plenty of it. You know, so the way life is.
Working for you, Kayla Molander, WRTV.